this program to activate the emergency alert system for an Amber Alert. Be on the lookout for abducted children from Franklin County, Ohio. The children were taken from East 1st Avenue and North High Street, Columbus, Ohio, at 9:45 p.m. on Monday, December 19th, 2022. The suspect is believed to be driving a 2010 black Honda Accord four-door with no front bumper, damage to the right rear, a partial temporary tag starting with the letter M, and a white bumper sticker on the rear that says Westside City Toys. The abducted children are 5-month-old K.R. Thomas, a black male, last seen wearing brown outfit, and Kayson Thomas, a 5-month-old black male, last seen wearing a brown outfit. Please call 1-877-AMBER-OH or 1-877-262-3764 or dial 911 immediately if you see these children or the suspect vehicle. This concludes the emergency alert system message.